Take a moment to check out the 2018 Jeep Renegade. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Punch up your daily drive in the seriously smart and capable Renegade. Its bold looks and rugged spirit inspire you on the road or on the trail. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, sun, moon roof, keyless entry, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, four-wheel drive, dual zone AC. Don't be afraid to drive outside the box. Drive the Renegade.